Quick English Challenge. Hi friends. 20 questions to test you. 5 seconds per question. Be ready. Question number 1. Sentence: he made a quick call before he left. Question: which word means the same as quick? Quick means short. Question number 2. Sentence: the water is shallow near the beach. Question: which word is opposite to shallow? The opposite of shallow is deep. Question number 3. In games, victory means. Victory means winning. Question number 4. Which sentence is correct? She suggested that I try that restaurant. Question number 5. Sentence: the room became silent once the movie finished. Question: which word means the same as silent? Silent means quiet. Question number 6. Sentence: he answered in a polite way. Question: which word is opposite to polite? The opposite of polite is rude. Question number 7. If a person is reliable, he is. A reliable person is trusted. Question number 8. Which sentence is correct? We're thinking about buying a new car. Question number 9. Sentence: she was confident before the interview. Question: which word means the same as confident? Confident means sure. Question number 10. Sentence: my son is very active. Question: which word is opposite to active? The opposite of active is lazy. Question number 11. To deliver a parcel means to. To deliver a parcel means to send it to someone. Question number 12. Which sentence is correct? I have been waiting here for an hour. Question number 13. Sentence: this bag is sturdy, so it will last for years. Question: which word means the same as sturdy? Sturdy means strong. Question number 14. Sentence: it was a temporary job. Question: which word is opposite to temporary? The opposite of temporary is permanent. Question number 15. A habit is something you. A habit is something you do often. Question number 16. Which sentence is correct? He apologized to me for being late. Question number 17. Sentence: they took a break during work. Question: which word means the same as break? Break means rest. Question number 18. Sentence: I opened the box, and it was empty. Question: which word is opposite to empty? The opposite of empty is full. Question number 19. Affordable means something is. Affordable means not too costly. Question number 20. Which sentence is correct? We arrived at the airport early. Finished. Tell us how you did. Keep sharpening your skills. Thanks for watching.